So, hello guys! Let's move on naman to the next topic. The next topic natin ngayon is yung inverse trigonometry. Inverse trigonometry. So, paano siya gamitin? So, bigyan tayo ng isang problem at ang gagamitin natin yung product rule. So, sabihin natin y is equal to x times sine 2x. So, ang ginagamit na formula sa product rule is u dy over dx equal to derivative of u times v plus u derivative of v. So, i-apply natin yung formula na gamitin natin sa problem na meron tayo. So, derivative ng u, so ito yung natin, ito yung v. Derivative ng u is yung derivative ng x is equal to 1. Derivative ng v, yung arc sine is 2 over square root of 1 plus 2x squared. Then, i-simplify pa natin siya. 2 over square root of 1 plus maging 4x squared na. Maging 4x squared siya. 4x squared. So, ayan na. So, i-apply natin yung sa formula. So, yung derivative ng u na 1 times yung given na v, arc sine 2x plus u na x times derivative of v, ito 2 over 1 plus 4x squared. So, one times arc sine 2x plus 1 times 2 over square root of 1 plus 4x squared. So, is equal to arc sine 2x plus 2 over 1. So, final answer natin is arc sine 2x plus 2x pala ito siya kasi x times 2 plus 2x. Ang final answer natin is yung arc sine 2x plus 2x over 1 plus 4x squared.